Algorand EMA10 really shows a generally falling pattern in a kind of significant way. As far as Algo support floor goes, it is currently 29 cents in a kind of significant way. Algo falls 0.61 in about 7 days. They thought in particular Algorand is worth about 12 cents at the moment. July 31st, 2023. In this video, we'll show you how to do an Algorand cost examination for now or for sure 1 week from now. We'll also try to answer some of the most frequently asked questions, like what is the current price expectation for Algorand? Especially as Algo is a really smart investment in a very big way. Algo's support and resistance levels, etc., are very important, but before we got too deep into the Algo, a technical analysis kind of gave us a chance to talk about how the market is doing right now. Look into the market in the last 24 hours. There was a loss of $1.84, which brought the total market for digital money to $1 trillion. 207,461,109,687 shows how Algorand support and resistance levels and other things work in a straightforward way. The total trading volume stays at 23,363,779,520, which is kind of important. Bitcoin has a share of 48.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a sort of dominance of 16.33%. Which is a very large number. This is what caused Bitcoin's price to rise to 30,172.69 after a rise of 1.17, so Algorand support and resistance levels and so on are very important. In the past 24 hours, the price of Ethereum has gone up by 0.71, bringing it to 1897.29. Or so they thought when they sent out this blog. XRP was traded at 75 cents after a price change of 0.37 cents in the same time period. This shows that, contrary to what most people think, the Algo support floor is currently 29 cents. BNB, which is a local coin, went up by 0.7 and is now trading at 243.64 cents. This shows that Bitcoin has 48.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum has 16.33%. Also, Coco's BCX went down by 0.77 cents, which is a big drop. All of these events show that the market is going down. Algorand support and resistance are important technical indicators used to find key price levels where the trend could change. This is a very big deal. Support is a level at which buyers become more active and stop the price of a coin from falling any further in a buy and large significant way. Resistance is a level at which sellers become more active and stop the price of a coin from falling any further in a buy and large significant way. The current Algorand price is 12 cents, with a trading amount of 35,179,261 over the past 24 hours. Before we get too deep into the Algo technical analysis, let's talk about how the market is doing right now. Market research over the last 24 hours shows that they've lost 1.84%, taking the total market for cryptographic money to $1 trillion. Algo's market capitalization has gone up by $1.46 since yesterday, and its price has gone up by 71 cents to $1,897.29 in the past 24 hours, which is a big change for a digital currency like Ethereum. Algo price analysis for July 31st, 2023 shows that Algorand is worth 12 cents. July 31st, 2023. In this video, we'll walk you through the Algorand cost investigation for now or for all that counts a week from now. We'll also try to answer some of the questions that people often ask about important issues. Facts. What BAE is mainly about is short-term cost expectations for algorithm, and algorithm is mainly about a very smart interest in a really important way. We use extremely normal relative strength index, RSI, moving averages, union and uniqueness, mapped backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including kind of simple moving, kind of normal small, and amazing moving, kind of normal EMA to really look at how the Algorand will change in the future. Things aren't looking good for the crypto market in a big way right now. Bears are in charge of the market. And Algo's price has fallen below the critical support level of 29 cents. This is a big deal, and Algo's Williams % pointer is at 40.299 for the last 14 days. Most of the time, an exchange-type sign is possible at this point, showing how many alternative digital currencies there are. For example, Ethereum's price has gone up by 0.71 to 1897.29 in the last 24 hours. This goes against what most people think, which is that the algo that moves the US dollar is just a normal combination and difference. The MACD line is going under the exceptionally signal line, which usually means that bears are doing well. After losing 0.77 in value, Coco's BCX went up to 60 cents. This was shown in the total strength file. RSI shows that Algo coin is getting close to the oversold zone, as RSI is a 31, which most certainly shows that. As Bitcoin's price stays around $29,366, down 0.22% on Sunday, people are worried about the decreasing daily trade volume, which could mean that whales are leaving the market. SEC Chair Gary Gensler points out that cryptocurrency is very risky and that fraud is a common problem, which adds to the confusion. Also, the German authorities' recent concerns about Binance CEO caused them to pull their application for a license. This makes the crypto scene even more complicated. The head of the SEC warns about risks and fraud in the cryptocurrency market. Right now, the value of BTC/USD is going down because SEC Chair Gary Gensler talked about the risks and worries in the Bitcoin market. Gensler has said that crypto is a highly risky asset class that is rife with fraudulent activity. He has also warned investors that securities law doesn't protect them in this area. People have said that cryptocurrency sites do things that aren't allowed in regular stock markets. This has made buyers worried and put them at risk. The SEC is looking for more money to help regulate the crypto business, which could make people in the market more careful. Because of this, the BTC/USD market has been going down recently as investors rethink their strategies. How much will Bitcoin cost? As Bitcoin went up to the $29,000 level, it got a lot of support. Several candle patterns, like the doji and the spinning top, closed above this barrier, which shows that this is true. At the moment, Bitcoin is selling just below $29,500. Which is a resistance. A downward trend line on the 4-hour chart makes this resistance even stronger. If Bitcoin is able to go above $29,500, it may run into trouble at the highly important $30,000 level. Also, the possible